So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll walk you through how to use the drafts feature in Buffer to plan your social media content ahead of time. It's super helpful for organizing your ideas and saving time. So let's get started. So first of all, once you log in into your Buffer website, you'll go to this section where you have your social media connected. Then you click on the one that you want to write the content about. So let's say, for example, I click on the Facebook page that I have here. Then I'll go to a new post. Once I click on new post, this pop-up will come up. Now I want to post on Facebook. I can select it. Once I click on it, this section will come up. So let's say, for example, I want to write a post to do with food. Then I will just come here, then write the post on food. Or let's say, for example, I will use the AI that is here to write for me the posts on food. Now I can generate it. You can also make sure that on this section you have the best hashtags and the tags that you're going to use in your post or the video that you're posting from this section. So you can also rephrase, shorten, or expand based on the way you want your post to look like. So once it's done generating for you, you can just click on insert. Once it will insert the post that you want to post on a Facebook page, then the next thing you'll do, you go to this section that say save as draft. Then you can see there is a schedule your draft if you want to save and also customize it. So you can click on save as draft. Then you can also schedule your draft. Then you can also customize the date that you want your draft to go on social media. So if you click save as draft like that, you can still come back later and work on your draft or change anything that you have saved here. So this one helps you to be able to come back and also do some changes on your draft and all that. So your post has been saved as a draft. So that next time when you come back, you can still go back to it and rework it out and also put more information if you want and edit your content to make sure it fits your niche very well and your people will be attracted to your channel. So, and that is it. Drafts in Buffer are a smart way to stay organized and plan content ahead of time. It keeps your posting consistent and stress-free. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more social media tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.